Welcome to Team 57's strategic analysis of Ocado.
Online grocery industry overview. After doing the industry analysis using Porter's 5 forces, we determined that overall, the online grocery industry is moderately attractive. However, we think that if COVID-19 quarantine consumers' habits are sustained in the long run, the market attractiveness should increase. Deep diving into the analysis of each industry force, we identified that even though the switching cost for buyers is relatively low, we think that the threat of new entrants is low, as it's mainly driven by the high required capital and intensive IT development. Moving to the threat of substitutes force, we consider that it to be reasonably high, mainly because the consumers' low switching costs and the high propensity of substitutes such as delivery services from restaurants, prepared food, and current grocery retailers. Further, we define that the bargaining power of suppliers is moderately low, because the food supply industry is reasonably fragmented, which decreases the negotiation power of suppliers. Additionally, we think that the industry relies heavily in IT development, which plays in favor of Ocado since they develop in-house software. Moreover, even though buyers' concentration and purchasing volumes are low, we define that the bargaining power of buyers is moderately low, because buyers are hardly sensitive to price changes and have low switching costs. Finally, even though the market has been growing consistently and we expect it to grow more if COVID-19 quarantine habits are sustained over time, overall we define that the industry competitive rivalry is high, because this market faces high levels of worldwide competition and the product differentiation is reasonably low.
Ocado's business model is composed of two major components. One, its pure-play online grocery retailer, which has recently shifted its ownership structure to become a 50-50 joint venture with Marks & Spencer's in the UK. Two, its solutions and logistics division, which licenses Ocado's proprietary warehousing and logistics platform to other horizontal grocers in the offline and online space. Historically, Ocado's innovations in warehousing and logistics have offered grocery shoppers a superior experience through significantly lower fulfillment lead times, lower costs, and a larger selection of items. Ocado's smart platform allows offline retailers to transition to the online revolution by offering a one-stop shop solution for warehousing and logistics management. There are three sources to Ocado's competitive advantage. Number one is their first mover advantage in the online grocery channel. Ocado's growing popularity cemented the foundation for its ability to maintain a dominant market share in the online channel. Number two is their superior online grocery shopping experience, which emphasized convenience and user-friendliness. Over time, Ocado kept this advantage by introducing new features, such as product recommendations, which were made possible only by its vast selection of items and critical mass of data. Finally, their proprietary technology enabled Ocado to automate and quicken a large portion of their logistics operations. The significantly lower order fulfillment times allowed Ocado to achieve a level of scale economies that remained elusive for entrants and rivals to achieve.
We'll now look at possible threats to Ocado. Although micro-fulfillment centers may pose a threat to Ocado's success, the technologies that can be integrated into existing retail chains are unlikely to match the advanced technology, efficiency in operations, and product variety that Ocado delivers. Additionally, Ocado's growing partnerships with brick-and-mortar stores help place Ocado's technology closer to consumers and leverages the existing loyalty programs of successful brick-and-mortar chains. Competitors such as Amazon, Walmart, and Instacart are in a stronger position to match Ocado's product offerings and technological capabilities, and therefore pose a greater threat to its future success. Amazon and Walmart's business models of sourcing products from a multitude of suppliers, as well as Instacart's platform that allows consumers to shop from several retailers, will likely provide all three companies the ability to match or even surpass Ocado's variety of product offerings, an appealing feature for consumers. Amazon and Walmart's focus on advancing their warehousing technology has increased their efficiency and capacity to fulfill online orders. These advancements may put downward pressure on prices in the market as these companies achieve operational efficiencies. Such price savings will appeal to the price-sensitive consumers, challenging Ocado's ability to gain a greater share of the market. Finally, the three companies' ability to combine technological capabilities with grocery retailing expertise increases their threat to Ocado. Amazon has acquired Whole Foods Market, Walmart has achieved a long-time success in brick-and-mortar grocery retailing, and Instacart has the ability to leverage insights from its partner grocers. Once each of these companies pairs their industry insights with more advanced technological expertise, they will be in a strong position to convert their existing customers in other industries to their online grocery delivery platform. This poses a significant threat to Ocado's success in the online grocery delivery market.
In response to threats from direct imitators, we came up with our recommendation for Ocado. Create a data interchange module in SAP or Oracle for leading retail partners as a method to increase their switching cost if Amazon decides to enter the market. The module would be compatible with standard version of SAP or Oracle. One example would be to create a standardized data flow in the ERP's logistic module that connects the retailer's IT system with Ocado Smart Platform with blazing fast deployment times. This leverages our own competitive advantage in writing Ocado's software, and it will also help us to achieve our goals of helping our retail partners lead the charge in the online revolution. Initially, this will be a heavy investment, but all good strategies require trade-offs. In our particular case, Ocado will forego some immediate operating cash flow to fund a development team for such a project in order to obtain the long-term benefits of deterring Amazon's entry. In conclusion, Ocado is operating in a moderately attractive industry. COVID-19 has accelerated the change in consumers' purchasing habits and adoption of online retailing, allowing Ocado to achieve significant growth in the industry. Ocado's technological capabilities and drive to innovate has given the company a sustainable competitive advantage. Our recommendation to develop IT solutions that can easily integrate into grocers' existing ERP system will help to accelerate its delivery of its technology solutions to brick-and-mortar grocers. Its growing presence in the industry will help to deter imitators and support Ocado's long-term success. Our next step in this analysis is to gather further information regarding the development of an IT solution for our strategic partners. This includes determining which ERP systems are widely used in the industry. We will also conduct private interviews with Ocado leadership and staff, as well as gather private company reports to gain an in-depth understanding of the company's operations. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for watching.